objectives are subject to ejection and arrest.
Please report any such behavior. Draymond got open a few times at 3 just because of our pick and roll coverage, and that's one of the things that we were willing to leave.
That's something we have to start from the. We got to start from the jump and stop and control that. Our defense was okay. We could definitely. Pretty much them getting second chance shots. So just coming up with loose balls. So the urgency definitely wasn't there, and it's I think.